Hi friends, my name is Dennis. Welcome to Reviews by Dennis. Today I got another pair of headphones I wanted to bring to your attention. These are the Riwbox AB005. These are a wireless Bluetooth pair of headphones with flashing LED lights on the outside of the earpieces. This is the box that it comes in, and as you see right away, they're a nice fold-up pair of headphones, so they don't take up much space. It makes them really worry-free, because with regular headphones that don't fold up, if you're putting them in a book bag or storing them away, you might sometimes worry that the side piece is just gonna snap, and when it does, you're out. You're gonna be putting masking tape around it or whatever. These, you don't really have to worry about that too much. When they're folded up, they're nice and tight, take up a lot less space, so they can fit in book bags, purses, or whatever, maybe even the console in your car. But just to open them, you just flip them open, and they kind of lock into place, which is really nice. And then each side has an adjustable sliding rail there, so that way you can adjust them to your particular head size. These headphones are really packed with a lot of features, and the specs on them are really great. I'm going to include a link in the description to my blog site, so that way you can check out all the specs, as well as see close-up pictures of all the all the little buttons and stuff like that here, because it's a little hard to see on this particular camera. I mean, I guess you can see them. But real simply, you got on the top. One of the greatest features I like about this is it has a TF card slot. You have your on and off. You have a USB indicator light, so that way when you're charging it, it lights up, and you'll know that it's charging. Once it's fully charged, that light goes off, so you know that it's fully charged. Plus, it's not continually charging, so it's not going to overpower your battery. So that's really nice. It's got the auxiliary slot here, because it does come with an extra 3.5 auxiliary cable. So that way, if your battery is dead in your Bluetooth headphones, you can still continue to use these with your device. Or if you're just using your cord or whatever, it does come with one, so that's nice. And then it also comes with the cord that charges, and that's a USB to micro USB. And also comes with a little instruction manual, which gives you troubleshooting information, as well as the specs and stuff like that. Like I said, I'll include those specs in the description below. They're just really nice. I've done reviews for Riwbox headphones in the past. They make really nice soft padded earpieces, so that way you get hours of listening pleasure without the discomfort that you might get with some other headphones on your ears. The thing that sets these apart is you get a little bit more of a visual presentation when you're using these headphones, because they have LEDs on either side of them. And I'm going to turn on the headphones here, and it'll give you kind of like the demo that goes through when you first turn it on, as it's connected to my device. And you'll see how the LEDs work on this. There you go. Now, when you're listening to your music, you're going to see these lights will be jumping up and down depending on the volume that you have it set at. If you're listening to a full volume, those lights are going to be always all the way up. If it's dropping up and down, like you got a lot of like say hip hop and stuff like that, you'll probably get a lot more bouncing and stuff like that with the LED lights. Overall, I think these are a really great pair of headphones. I did get them for my daughter. That's why they're pink. I had gotten a pair of Riwbox for my younger daughter, Dorothy, a while back. I had a pair for myself. They're not right here. I usually use my other ones with my when I'm playing on the Xbox. If you have an inline mic with an inline mic, you can use these with Xbox. I know I use my other ones with them. I tried with the 3.5 that comes with this one, and it wasn't able to detect my voice for some reason. But I was able to take the cord from my other Riwbox headphones, and I was plugged it in there, and I could use these on my Xbox too. So that's really nice to know. Of course, that is dependent that you're using the Xbox with the controllers that have the 3.5 audio jack on them, as mine does. And I think it's a really great item. If you want to check out this item for yourself, check out my link in the description below for a full written up review of this item, as well as close-up pictures, and that's at reviewsbydennis.blogspot.com. And I'll also include the specs, as I said, in the description below. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.